How can we save them?
One Earth, many species. A species is any kind of plant or animal that lives on this earth. Scientists have found over 1.7 million different kinds of species and keep finding more. Did you know that there are over 5,000 different kinds of frogs and over 22,000 species of fish? Each species is very unique. Scientists have a special name for this wide variety of life on Earth. They call it diversity. Web of life. Each species is a part of an ecosystem. An ecosystem is a community of living and non-living things being a part of an environment. Plants and animals depend on one another to live. For example, the giant Amazon water lily needs an ecosystem of water because if their seeds get on land, they will dry out and die. They also depend on climate. Climate might be hot, cold, rainy, or dry. The land might be a mountain or a desert. They depend on the ecosystem and climate so much that they would die if they moved to a different environment. Why do species get endangered? When the climate or ecosystem changes, many animals have trouble changing with it, so they die or become extinct. For example, 100 years ago, there were too many koalas to count. By now, there are under 100,000 of them. Koalas are now endangered. More than 16,000 species are endangered around the world, including the saguaro cactus, the log-headed sea turtle, and chimpanzee. Saving endangered animals. As you have read, many species become endangered for many reasons, like loss of home and climate and ecosystem change, but mostly hunting and pollution. Most of these problems are caused by people. People cause problems to species, but they can also solve them. There are lots of things people can do to help these plants and animals keep from disappearing. They can raise endangered animals in zoos or on special farms. There are lots more that they can do to help these animals.
Why should we care? Why should we save plants and animals that are in danger?
Most of our human medicines came from plants, and some came from animals. Scientists believe that there are much more plants and animals that can cure vital diseases. If by chance these species are lost forever, we will never find these medicines and we will never have cures again. Plants and animals help us in many other ways too. Plants protect flooding, and fish in our oceans are food that can help many people stay alive. Finally, Earth's diversity of life is a treasure, and it is our duty to protect it. So remember, species of this earth are counting on you. This is Hailey DeLu, and I hope that after you watched my video, you feel inspired to help the endangered species.